and freeze in full effect.
You ready, Ron?
I'm ready.
You ready, Div?
I'm ready, Slick, are you?
Oh yeah, take it down.
Girl, I must warn you, I sense something strange in my mind. Yo, situation is serious. Let's cure it cause we're running out of time.
Tell 'em, Rick.
It's all so beautiful. Relationships they seem from the start. It's all so deadly when love is not together from the heart. Check it out. It's driving me out of my mind.
Sex, cars, no more cigars. Give me my theme music.
Come on. Ha.
Sax Cars, No More Cigars. Got some great content coming to you. Ralph Westfield. Let's see. On June 10th, 2023, Lcbc Church, located on Route 230 in Mount Joy, Pennsylvania, held their annual car, truck, and motorcycle car show. The content today will cover this. Hope you enjoy it. Sax Cars, No More Cigars. Now this is truly a man's love for his car when he gets down on his knees and proposes to the wheels on the car. You know this man loves his car. How's it going, buddy? How you doing? All right. We got a little bit of everything here at the car show.
Making these environments safe, fun, and place where your kids can learn and grow.
You've seen this vehicle on my channel before, and he's done some upgrades to it. So I would explain it, but I can't do it as well as the owner. So I'm going to let the owner introduce himself and explain the upgrades that he's done on his vehicle.
Hi there.
How you going?
Charlie. I'm doing well, thank you. How you doing?
All right.
I did replace all the glass in it. I replaced the glass with a soft gray glass, which is a very light tint,
Okay.
which they used to use back in the days
Okay.
for the air conditioning
Oh,
cars.
cool.
And each and every piece of glass, I have a date code etched into the glass
And where would that be?
that reflects the actual date the car was manufactured. Of course, it's backwards.
Excellent.
Yeah, so that's basically what it is. I've replaced all the trim,
Okay.
all the drip rail moldings. And that's about it. That's what I can say
So to
about
get the
that.
trim to the shine where it's at now, back to its, what did you do to bring it back so beautiful?
Polish it.
Okay. And
It's a time-consuming process.
okay.
You take scratches out, dings out of it, and then polish. You
Okay.
gotta take the scratches and the dings out first.
And did you coat it with anything once you're done?
I just
with
put a
that
coat of wax on it.
Excellent. They got a little bit of everything here. We even got golf carts, the whole 9 yards. So today I'm here with Alexis. She's been appointed, but she's kind enough to give me an interview with respect to what your business is all about.
We are Dogs Customs. We're located in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania.
E-Town, right?
Yep.
All
in
right,
E-Town.
E-Town, the place to be.
We have an auto repair shop,
Okay.
and we've also started selling Icon golf carts.
Oh, cool.
They're
Cool.
all electric. They're
Oh,
they're
wow.
awesome. We have lifted. We have this is the non-lifted. Yep.
Okay. Wow, excellent.
We have about 14 still left at our shop.
Okay.
So,
And how long have you guys been in business approximately?
the car shop's been in business since 2011.
Wow. And what kind of car work do you do?
All cars. Pretty much the only thing we don't do is body work and tires.
So great.
So
All right.
we work on older cars, new cars, regular routine maintenance, inspections, the whole works. Yeah.
Well, there you have it. Alexis, again, thank you very,
You're
very
welcome.
much.
You have a great
Saks
day.
Cars, No More Cigars. Saks Cars, No More Cigars. We got some rails out here, so we'll get some footage on this. Here we go. Ask for it, you got it. Tires, the idea how big the tires are. Look at the side of
I'm working on dying. main man who has a detailing company. I don't know much about his company, but I know he does excellent work. But I'm going to let him tell you about the company. Here we go.
So I'm Austin Howes. I own Raise the Bar Detailing. I've been doing it for roughly 7 months now. We are a completely mobile company that does everything from interior to exterior. We do ceramic coating, paint correction, and everything in between. My previous experience was I was in the auto body and detailing field for about 3 years before this, and then decided I'm ready to do my own thing. So I got out of that, started my own business. It's taken off so far. We've done everything from your construction vehicles all the way up to Corvettes. The most expensive vehicle we ever did was a 2017 McLaren. Full paint correction, full ceramic coating, came out awesome. But if you want to get a hold of us, get a hold of us 717-471-8779, or look us up online. You'll find us at Raise the Bar Detailing.
Great. Just two things. Can you repeat that telephone number a little slower?
Yep.
Okay.
717-471-8779.
And you said you have a mobile unit.
Yep.
And just kind of like
mobile.
break down what that is. You travel to the customer?
Yes, sir. So I'll
okay.
come wherever you are. I've traveled as far as Pittsburgh and as far as State College. I'll travel wherever you need me to.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
And does it make a difference the year, make, or model of the car? Does it have to be a new, clean car?
Nope.
Or will you take a 1936 jalopy?
I will take whatever you got. You can throw
All
your
right,
worst at
okay.
me.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right, well, there you go. Saks Cars, No More Cigars. Thanks a lot. And you guys give him a call if you need your car cleaned up.
Yes,
Thanks
sir.
a lot. This is something else, isn't it?
Something different, yeah, it sure is.
Get in if you want. You can sit in it.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
How tall are you?
6'7".
And did you drive this here?
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
Yeah. Well, get in there.
I'm disclaimer now, I'm only sitting in, you know.
That thing is awesome. He fits right in there.
You can get in there. Get in there.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh man,
my brother, and thank you very much.
You can pick up the back and the motor's under that. That's what Hector has.
His motor here.
9 horsepower. That's his.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
He has a 6.
Yes, yes. Hello. No, thank you. Wow, this is beautiful.
His name is Voltron, Defender of the Universe.
Voltron,
This Defender of the
Defender of the Universe.
Meet Voltron.
Well, Saks Cars No More Cigars. Now you've been introduced to Voltron. Beautiful. Yellow, red, that's black, correct?
Yeah, look at the door.
It's paint. It's not a
Look at the
wrap.
graphics. Look at it.
Inside.
Okay.
You should see the inside seats.
Thank you.
They're all hand done leather. And
Wow, nice. Saks Cars No More Cigars. Oh, nice. Nice.
You even got the graphics on the console.
Nice. Very nice. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel called Saks Cars No More Cigars.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so
Here,
I
take
appreciate
a picture
it.
of that door.
Yeah.
I have no idea how they did it. I don't know if they did it with tape or, you know. It's a West Coast car. We had it shipped.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Like the rims too.
Yeah, right. That comes smocking.
I don't think there's anything I don't like about that.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah.
Hey, guess what? The average age of an owner is 67, so it's perfect for you and me.
And me.
Not this guy.
No.
This
Whoa.
guy.
Whoa.
This guy.
I was born in 1954, bro. So
No,
I'm
you
in. Oh
weren't.
yeah. So
Get
I'm
the
in.
heck
So
out
I'm
of
in.
here. What are
So I'm
you
in. So guys aren't leaving, are you?
No, brother, we in the house.
In the house. All right. I'm just trying to get some footage for AJ.
AJ,
Yeah, I was
okay.
sending
So
some,
the
yeah.
LCD was in the house.
Yeah, all right, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking
I
about.
know this guy.
Okay.
I know that guy.
All right.
You know all 3 of them.
Yeah, Saks Cars No More Cigars, LG. Where you at, baby? I'm up here with your boys, man. LTD is in the house. Where you at? Please remember to subscribe. Comment, thumbs up, like, and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get put on notice. Let me get back to my workout.
Yeah, Spider-Man and Freeze in full effect.
You ready, Ron?
I'm ready.
You ready, Div?
I'm ready, Slick. Are you?
Oh yeah, take it down.
Girl, I must warn you. I sense something strange in my mind. Yo, situation is. Let's cure it 'cause we're running out of time.